we decided to use the chant called Hole Waimea. Within this chant, Hole Waimea, which talks about Kamehameha Ekahi's warriors who are named for the winds and the rains of Waimea, it's called Kipu'upu'u. And so in this particular chant, it talks about how Kamehameha selects these warriors to be part of his army, and they go to the Waimea area, the forest of Waimea called Mahiki, and there is where they begin their training, and they train there and also in Waikā. And in this Hole Waimea chant, we have what's called Waikā, a Mele, whose music was put by John Kinohou Spencer. He was the one that had this inspiration as he was traveling through the mountains of Waimea and Kohala, and this mele came to him, and he decided to put this mele to the chant Hole Waimea. It's just a portion of Hole Waimea. It starts off with Kuakula Oi, and so he searched for a piano, and as the story goes, he ends up at Auntie Mary Lim of the Lim family's home in Kohala, and they have a piano there, and he plays the piano, and he puts this mele to Waikā, and that's where the mele was first heard and first sung by anyone. And so he was a traveling musician, and he played in many places on the island of Hawaii, in the Kona area, Kawaihai, Kohala, I would assume, and Waimea. And so through the stories that was shared with me, with his daughter, Kinohou Spencer, that he loved his music. He loved to travel and play in this particular place in the Kona side of Hawaii Island and Waimea and Kohala side. And so it was a favorite of mine as a child. It was a favorite of many people back in the days when I was growing up in hula. And, hula, when I speak of hula, I cannot not mention my Auntie Joan. This was one of her favorite songs. As a young Kumu Hula and hula teacher, back then we called them hula teachers, she always picked this song to dance to at family gatherings especially, and mostly at family gatherings. And so she always picked this song, and so I was raised watching her dance this song, so it's a very emotional song for me, yeah, because it brings back memories of growing up in hula, brings back memories of my auntie, and especially since the Lindsey family and the Stiffen family are from the Kohala area and the Waimea area. And so there's an even more emotional attachment to this chant.